Okay, we're at Larsen Family Farm.
On Apple Hill.
On Apple Hill.
That's not a tourist trap.
It's not a tourist trap, Cindy.
It's not a tourist trap.
It's not a tourist trap.
It's not a tourist trap.
Okay, so we have just saw the apple sorting machine, and what do you think of the apple sorting machine, Cindy?
We need one at home. They call it the laundry sorting machine. Socks on now.
All right, Cindy, what do we have in front of us?
I've been waiting all day for an apple dumpling.
It's apple dumpling.
Mm-hmm.
It's got caramel all over it.
It really does.
It really does.
That looks delicious.
And how much was the apple dumpling here?
$3.50.
Compared to how much at High Hill Ranch?
$6.50.
Yes. And that is half the price. All right. So we're going to go ahead. Cindy's got a spoon and a fork. All right, go ahead, Cindy.
Dig into this here without trying to crack the skin here. I gotta get to the apple though too. I'm gonna turn it around to you in a second here.
All right.
So you can see. Ah. Oh my gosh, it's hard to get into this dumpling.
There we
looks
go.
like on the inside.
That's what it looks like on the inside, everybody. Does that look like a full apple?
Uh-huh.
Full apple. So,
Poured, peeled, seeded,
yep.
and delicious.
Uh-huh. How's the caramel?
No, it's delicious. You gotta come over here and try some.
All right, I am.
I give this like a 10.
It's only on a scale of 1 to 5, Cindy.
Okay, 5 then.
Oh, let's go.
It's really, really good, you guys. It's very fresh, it's not too overcooked. The bread on the outside is perfect. It's like a pie. It's like an apple pie. It's delicious. And yes, look at this full apple coming out here.
Get closer on that again.
And full apple coming out, surrounded by a breading.
Show everybody that. Look at that apple.
Poured, peeled, cooked on the inside.
It's probably a golden delicious apple. What do you think, Cindy?
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
It's gorgeous. And all this caramel goodness. Oh, delicious. Blend that into a smoothie, you get applesauce.
Is that what you're talking about, applesauce?
Mm-hmm. I've only seen all days apples. I think we're on Apple Hill or something.
Cindy, we are at Apple Hill.
Oh, my bad. Come enjoy it with me. See you later.
All right, I'm gonna go and eat some of this. No, I'll eat that. Come on, hand me the fork. Good. And now it's in front of me, everybody. Let's see. That's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Apple was perfect. With one of those horrible red delicious things inside of it.
It's not red delicious. Is that a red delicious apple?
No, that's a golden delicious in there. All right. So you give it a 5, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Cindy. You can go. I'm gonna let you finish enjoying your dumpling. All right.